Can't decide between Hostinger or SiteGround? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're diving into a detailed comparison of Hostinger WordPress hosting versus SiteGround. We'll cover key areas like speed, performance, security, and pricing to help you decide which platform is the right fit for you. By the end, you'll know exactly which one suits your needs the best. So without further ado, let's get into it. Choosing the right hosting platform for WordPress is crucial, and both Hostinger and SiteGround bring unique strengths to the table. Hostinger is renowned for its affordability and light-speed power performance, while SiteGround is favored for its Google Cloud backend reliability and premium support. When it comes to speed, Hostinger offers light-speed web servers with built-in caching, ensuring faster load times for WordPress websites. Meanwhile, SiteGround utilizes its proprietary super cacher and ultra-fast PHP setup to reduce time to first byte, or TTFB. These features ensure that users get a seamless browsing experience regardless of the hosting provider. For WordPress-specific tools, both Hostinger and SiteGround provide features that make setup and management straightforward. Hostinger includes a one-click WordPress installer and managed updates for WordPress core and plugins. Additionally, Hostinger's staging environment allows users to test changes safely before pushing them live. SiteGround, on the other hand, offers its own WordPress starter tool, which streamlines the setup process and includes curated themes to get started quickly. SiteGround's proprietary SG Optimizer plugin also takes WordPress performance to the next level. While both platforms automate updates, SiteGround's deeper WordPress integrations might appeal to users seeking enhanced convenience and optimization. Security is also a crucial consideration for WordPress hosting, and both platforms excel in protecting websites. Hostinger provides free SSL certificates, daily backups on higher plans, and malware scanning tools to detect vulnerabilities. Two-factor authentication and advanced security modules also help safeguard user accounts from unauthorized access. Similarly, SiteGround includes Let's Encrypt SSL, AI-driven anti-bot protection, and daily automated backups in all of their plans. Although both platforms prioritize security, SiteGround's AI anti-bot system and advanced malware scanning may give it an edge for security. For developers and advanced users, both Hostinger and SiteGround offer tools to enhance control and flexibility. Hostinger includes SSH access, Git integration, and WCLI for command line management of WordPress sites. SiteGround goes a step further with this, with features like Git staging on higher plans and customizable PHP setups. Both platforms allow developers to work efficiently, but SiteGround's additional tools like advanced staging and file management are particularly useful for those managing complex sites or working collaboratively. User experience is another area where Hostinger and SiteGround stand out, offering intuitive control panels for website management. Hostinger's H-panel is designed to be beginner-friendly, while providing access to essential features like domain management, email setup, and resource monitoring. SiteGround uses its custom site tools dashboard, replacing traditional cPanel with a sleek interface tailored to WordPress users. Both platforms allow users to manage staging, backups, and plugin updates with ease. However, SiteGround's interface is particularly praised for its clarity and functionality, making it a strong choice for non-technical users who value the ease of use. Scalability is essential for growing websites, and both platforms offer flexible options to meet increased traffic demands. Hostinger allows users to seamlessly upgrade from WordPress hosting to VPS or cloud hosting for additional resources. Its Pro WordPress plan also supports up to 300,000 monthly visits, making it suitable for high traffic sites. SiteGround also provides scalable hosting options, including cloud hosting for websites requiring dedicated resources. Its GoGeek plan supports up to 400,000 monthly visits and offers priority support for advanced users. Both platforms are scalable, but SiteGround's high-end plans cater more to enterprise-level websites or projects with demanding requirements. Performance optimization is another key aspect where these platforms shine. Hostinger leverages light-speed cache for WordPress to improve load times and manage resources efficiently. SiteGround's SG Optimizer plugin offers advanced features like dynamic caching, image compression, and database optimization. Both platforms include built-in caching and CDN integration, but SiteGround's Super Cacher provides 3 layers of caching for faster page delivery. Now that we've talked about both of these sites' features, let's get into how to actually get started with them. If you're interested in getting started with SiteGround, I would highly recommend using the link down in the description. When you click that link, you should be brought to a page that looks like this. As you can see, you can get started with SiteGround for as little as $2.99 a month. We can just hit the Start Now button, which will then take us over to their pricing page. These are the WordPress hosting hosting plans that we can choose from. They have their startup plan, their grow big plan, and their go geek plan. We talked about some of the features already for these plans, but they each have their own benefits and of course their own drawbacks. We'll go ahead and go with the startup plan here and click the get plan button. We'll then enter in the domain that we want to claim here, and we'll even get a free year of that domain. With the continue button, review and complete, and then we'll be ready to get started with SiteGround. Now, if you want to get started with Hostinger, I would also recommend use the link down in the description. When you click that link, you should be brought to a page that looks like this. And as you can see, you can get up to 80% off web hosting. And right now it's only $2.49 plus 3 extra free months on top of that, depending on the plan that you choose. We'll hit the start now button, which will take us to their pricing tiers, where as you can see, they have a premium plan, a business plan, and a cloud startup plan. We can choose any of these plans we want to go with, and we'll get 3 extra free months on top of that. I'm going to go ahead and go with their business plan, so that way we have full access to our WordPress websites. I'll hit the choose plan button, which will then take me over to their checkout page. Once I'm on their checkout page, this part is super crucial. You'll want to click on the have a coupon code button, and then enter in the coupon code my first website, all capitals, no spaces, and you'll get an even greater discount on top of the amazing discount that you're already getting with Hostinger. Once you have all this inputted, you can hit the continue button, and you'll be taken inside of Hostinger, and you can start building your very own WordPress website. Once you're inside of Hostinger, this is what it should look like. All we have to do to start building our WordPress website is click on the websites tab, scroll down to the websites list, head on over to here, and then click on the add website button. Once we click on the add website button, it will then present us with a few options. We'll go ahead and choose the WordPress option. Once we choose that WordPress option, it will then load us into the WordPress website builder. With the next button, once we have our WordPress account set up, we can then start building our website from some of their pre-built templates or build the entire website from scratch. I'm going to go ahead and choose one of these templates here, hit the select button, add any of the recommended plugins, hit the next button, enter in my domain name, and then I can also use a temporary domain if I don't have one. And then just like that, it'll officially start building our WordPress website. Once your WordPress website is ready to go, you can officially start building it and making edits to it. If you guys have any questions about either of these platforms, make sure to comment them down in the comments section. Also, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.